If I was starting my business, I would have binge watched this video. Being a skincare girly, I guess, gets you on the track of experimenting a lot. And because I am a founder, I love exploring and understanding businesses throughout. In a nutshell, this video is for everyone who has something or anything to do with business in general. Maybe into product development, maybe into creating something, maybe into content creating, maybe into advertisement marketing, etc., etc. Any branch of business. Before you skip this video, I would like to let you know that this is a non-sponsored video. So please watch this video till the end. And I have zero shame in taking its name. So what happened exactly is that I was scrolling while being on Instagram, I happened to have ordered from a brand called AquaV. I'm sure you've also seen its products and the advertisement. तो फिर क्या? कर दिया order place? Tell you exactly what prompted me to buy from this business. Okay. 4 चीजें हैं जो AquaV basically influenced me to buy from it. It built the trust. कैसे इसने trust build किया? By showing the 30 days money back guarantee. By stating कि अगर आप हमारा product use करते हैं and if you do not see any results, we are ready to take all the products back and give you the money back. क्योंकि skincare industry में ये पहली बार. 3 चीज showing face. The brand owner himself advertised the product, mentioned the details of the product. And it is interesting that the third aspect, which is research, the research of him is commendable. Fourth is innovation, marine mud, seaweed extracts, etc. Now, that is something new in the industry, specifically something that's affordable. So after placing the order, I felt that I made the right choice. I just removed the box and I slightly twisted the whole aesthetic jar. Now, why I say aesthetic is because it looked nice, matte in texture, heavy in weight, and glass jars, those are heavy in weight, are used in the quality products only. I was happiest. But the moment I opened it, I could see the dried product. And if you can also notice, there is hollowness inside it. Well, if I'm tagging the brand might think कि ये तो मैंने खाली किया है. Interestingly, I did not. क्योंकि मैं क्या ही करूंगी? अगर मुझे ऑर्डर करना होगा तो मैं और ऑर्डर कर सकती हूँ. And it has nothing to do with defaming the brand. It has something to pinpoint to the brand and to you who is watching. अगर आप ऐसे बिजनेस को कंसल्ट कर रहे होते तो आप क्या करते? या अगर ये प्रोडक्ट आपका होता, ऐसी क्या पैकेजिंग में चीजें आप यूज करते कि ये जो आपके सामने है वो ना हो?